may pop out and go the other way. Shit. I'll put this nut on here so I can tap it and see what happens. I think it comes out this way. Yeah. So that pops out and comes this way. So take the nut off of this side and it should slide out the other way. I think there's a little bit of a, I'm not real sure what. But that looks like it might be set up like that so that you can put a clutch pedal right on that. Pivot, but I could be wrong. Anyhow, I'm gonna put this thing back together, but it looks like you can take that pin out that way. See if it has a stopping point. See if it draws it back in. See if it stops. All I have is a big ass adjustable wrench out here. I didn't have a so this might take a minute. I think this just draws it in until it runs out of threads. It just kind of runs to the end of the threads. That way. Come on, get on there. I think I'm almost out of threads. But you can see that it's pulling that pin in. But it almost looks like the clutch would mount to that, but there's no way to put a clip on it or anything. Yeah, see, I'm running the threads out. I think it just stops at the end of the threads. But does it ever get tight? That's what I want to know. Yeah, see, it's not. This side here, now that I've run out of threads, it just turns. But to answer your question, it looks like you can take that nut off here and push the pin out this side.